wetting the ground. It's back. Dig that hole. Pushing away.
Filling up the pond.
Putting in the pebbles. See the water is nice and clear, no green algae growing in. So a while back we did a garden and we put a fish pond in the water feature or whatever you want to call it. Two of the flowers died, so we basically bought some new ones to replace it. And also the problem is the actual pond went completely green. As you can see, you can't even see the damn fish. So what we're going to do today is we're going to plant those plants. We're not going to show that. You can just go to the link on top if you want to see the garden video. But we are putting this UV filter in. It's got a UV light and also some filtration. As you can see, there's some media and we're going to put some sponge in there. And hopefully that will clear up the green water and we will be able to see the fish. You guys stay tuned. And also we will be digging a hole, so we're going to completely redo this. As you can see, this is supposed to go into the ground, so we're going to dig a hole, put the pond in there and completely redo it and put the UV filter in to make the water look good. Okay, so we brought some reinforcements to help us dig. Come on. So we're first going to move the plants away and then empty the water and then start digging the hole in your hole. Okay, quite heavy. Okay, so we've got two buckets. We're going to catch the fish that's in there, put them in the buckets, and we've got an air pump to give them oxygen. So let's do this.
Yeah, man, this is fine.
We can't acclimatize them, so let's hope they survive. Okay, so we caught the fish. Pond is off. Fish is in the bucket. There, with the air. Let's start digging. We need some alcohol for this. Okay, so now I'm going to pull out the pump, remove the pipe. I'm going to put a different pipe on and then start pumping the old water out and take this off so they can clean it. Oh. Let's move this so we can clean it. So I'm just going to put a pipe on here, onto the pump, 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 pump. Okay, it's on. I'm going to chuck it in and we're going to start draining the water, first a bit in the bucket. After the bucket we're just going to chuck it here to make the ground a bit wet so it's easier to dig. Damn, that's good. Wetting the ground. Don't get my fingers in there. Okay, so the rock's been removed and the stepping stones. Now we're going to start digging the hole.
Got die.
My. So I'm just going to cut the floss so it catch all the rubbish. And there's the filtration. Okay, so we took some of the filtration out, put the sponge in, put the rest of the filtration in. Now we're going to close it up. And then we're going to power it up with the line at the pump. Okay, so we've got some PVC cement. We're going to put this in here for the outlet and one in the inlet as well. So it seals properly so we can put a pipe on here. Okay.
so long waiting for this.
It's bucket. It's bucket. It's bucket. Fucking bucket. Yes. Bucket wijn.
Fuck away.
Dig that hole. Dig it, dig it, dig it, dig it, dig it. This is not a job for the faint-hearted. We're almost done. The hole's there. We're still digging. We still have to put the pump and the filter in. But yeah, almost there. And Conrad's just sitting there, drinking, smoking.
Zal die bak zien? We finally managed to get the pond in the ground.
Hook this up, UV filter. Okay, so tilting this, and replacing this pipe with a new pipe. Now, okay.
Filling up the pond.
2 cups of brine. Jamie putting the fish in. Oh yeah, nom nom. Done. Good. Go fishy, go.
So the pond is in and the water feature works. Let's see how it looks tomorrow when the water clears up and all this mess is cleaned up. Time to braai.
Okay, so now we're going to remove the stepping stones and the little rocks, clean them all off and make the ground flat and put them back and neat. Okay, as you can see, we removed the stepping stones. Just have to remove the pebbles and wash them. Here's the stones, we have to wash them as well. I'm definitely not made for manual labor. Okay, so all the pebbles been picked up. Now we're going to wash the stepping stones, wash the pebbles, and then turn over the ground, make it flat and smooth, and then repack everything again. Jamie. Yeah. Okay, so Jamie is cleaning the stepping stones, all the mud off it, so it's brand new. Okay, so we washed the stepping stones. They're all wet because they're splashing all over. You can see. Now it's just the pebble stones we have to clean and put them on. Okay, so Jamie's cleaning the pebble stones. So much cleaner now. Putting in the pebbles, cover the ground. Okay, so we're almost done. Just putting the final pebbles in. We will record tomorrow after we clean all this, because I mean, it looks very bad now. So see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so it's all cleaned up now. As you can see, the water is nice and clear, no green algae growing anymore. You can actually see the fishes.